How to create 3D figurine with Google's Nano Banana. Hello everyone and welcome back. Now there's a new trend on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and everywhere you look, and that is the 3D figurine trend. People are turning their selfies, pets, family pictures into mini collectible figurines using Nano Banana in Google Gemini. Now, to do this is very simple and it is completely free to try. All you need is one good prompt and one good image. So starting off, you're going to head on over into gemini.google.com. Once you do, you're going to be signed on via your Google account. And once you sign on using your Google account, you're going to click on Add Files. Once you click on Add Files, you can click on Upload Files and upload one picture of yourself, of your dog, of anything that you want. So I want to create a 3D figurine of a model, and I'm just going to be using a simple image, this one over here. Once I upload my image, ideally you want this to be of your entire body or of the clothing style. All of that should be consistent. If it's not consistent with the type of figurine you want, you can just ask it to build or change the clothing, change the hairstyle, whatever that might be. After that, you're just going to be entering your prompt. So I'll show you guys the prompt, and I'm also going to tell you guys so you guys can type along. And this is our prompt over here. To create a 1/7 scale commercialized figurine of a character in the picture. A realistic style in a real environment, the figurine is placed on a computer desk. The figurine has a round, transparent acrylic base with no text on the base, and the content on the computer screen is the 3D modeling process of the figurine. Next to the computer screen is a toy packaging box designed in a style reminiscent of high-quality collectible figurines, printed with original artwork. The packaging features two-dimensional flat illustrations. This is the prompt that you need. Then click on Tools, and then select Create Images. This will select Google's Nano Banana, and then you're just going to submit. And this was our original image, the original character in our image. And after it processes everything, we're going to just be waiting. And it doesn't take too long to actually create these images as well. So it only takes like a minute or two for your image to be created. And just like so, this is our image. And it has, you guys can see that our original image, this was my original image, it did not include the legs. So it was able to build the legs accordingly. And this is what my image looks like. So it's really nice. And this is the original packaging. This is the style. Now you can change this as well. And I'll show you guys how we can change this. We're going to add another file and we're going to do this for a different character, let's say. So I want to build a 3D figurine of this celebrity, and then I'm going to take pretty much the same prompt, but I don't want the packaging box. So I'm going to remove that, and I'm going to be removing this entire part, which is the latter 3 lines of my prompt. Instead, there is a picture framed on the desk of the original photo. And now we're going to be creating a different variation of our figurines. So just like so, we have entered an alteration from our prompt. The basic prompt is the same, so the first couple of lines are going to be pretty much the same, but I've altered this particular portion. Now you guys can see in Gemini or Nano Banana, you have the ability to just download that image and then make different variations as well. So this is the variation, and you guys can see this is quite a different style. So I asked it to have a framed version of the original photo next to the figurine, and it was able to create that for us. Now you can make as many figurines as you want, and this is not included to only human pictures or people. You can do this with cartoon characters as well. So I'm going to add pretty much the same prompt, and I'm going to be adding Stewie over here, and it's going to be creating a figurine version of Stewie as well. Not only that, but if you have a cat, a dog, or any pet, or a family photo, you can also do that for those as well. I'm going to show you guys how you can do this for a group photo as well. So after this character figurine is created, I'm going to upload a file, and that particular image has 4 people at the center. So we have 4 people within this image, and I'm going to paste in my prompt. Now, within my prompt, the figurine of characters in the picture, in the real environment, the figurine is placed on the computer desk, so on and so forth. The table also has a framed photo of the original photo. And next to the computer screen is a toy packaging box designed in a reminiscent high quality style, but I don't want it to be printed with the original artwork, so I'm going to remove that. And just like so, this is the image with 4 people in the forefront of the image. So if you have group photos, family photos, office photos, and you want one figurine, you can also do that with multiple people in one image as well. So we're going to wait a couple of seconds for this to be created, and once it has been created, we can move forward. So just like so, this is the different variation. And just like so, this is a figurine with all 4 people. It has the packaging as well as the photo frame. Now moving forward, if we want to do this with animals, I'm just going to search for pet cat. And then I'm just going to go into images over here. And I want to make a figurine of, let's say, this cat over here. I'm going to open this image in a new tab. Save this image. Once I do, I'm going to go back into Gemini, upload my photo, which is the photo of our cat, and then use the same prompt. But again, I am going to remove the packaging. I just want the figurine. I do not want the additional packaging to be displayed around it. Now, these are not the only uses that you have with Nano Banana. Gemini or Google's Nano Banana is actually one tool that can do so much for you. Whether you're trying to restore old photos, whether you want to create avatars, edit posters, edit text, product images, if you want to build a novel view synthesis, if you want to swap backgrounds, if you want to do object removal and addition, if you want to replace objects, if you want to do portrait modification, all is available on Nano Banana. So you guys can see this is the figurine of our cat. This is so cute. I love it. And so on and so forth. You can keep on building and use it for other purposes as well. Now, Nano Banana is available for free on Gemini, but if you want to use it to its fullest capabilities, Nano Banana AI also does exist as a separate product. However, this product and this product are very different. Nano Banana AI is an independent product and it's not affiliated with Google or any of its brands. So this is a separate tool that is, used for image editing and creation. And a lot of people end up trying to create these types of images on this version, which is not a Google product. So do keep that in mind whenever you're looking to create with Google. Google's Nano Banana is only available on Gemini, whereas this other AI image editing tool is a separate product. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.